Hey there! Are you ready to transport your taste buds to the Middle East? Today, I'm going to show you how to make an incredible Arabian moussaka that will make your family think you've been secretly taking cooking classes. This layered dish is pure comfort food with a magical twist, and I promise it's easier than you think. All the ingredients you need are right down in the description, so let's dive into this mouth-watering adventure. All right, let's dive right into making this delicious Arabian moussaka. First things first, we need to get our oven preheated to 230 degrees Celsius, which is about 425 degrees Fahrenheit, with the fan on. This is going to help us get a nice, even bake on our aubergines. While the oven is heating up, grab 2 baking sheets and line them with parchment paper. This will prevent the aubergines from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now, let's prepare our aubergines. We're going to peel off stripes of the skin to create a fun zebra pattern. This not only looks great, but also helps the aubergine cook evenly. Once that's done, chop them into 1.5 centimeters cubes. Toss these cubes with 100 milliliters of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Spread them out on the baking sheets and pop them in the oven. We want them to bake until they're nearly fully softened, which should take about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. And if you notice one sheet cooking faster than the other, just swap their places. While the aubergines are roasting, let's move on to the stovetop. Heat a thick-bottomed pot over medium-low heat and add the remaining 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in the chopped onion. We want to fry these until they're softened but not colored, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir them regularly to prevent any browning. Then, add in the garlic, a pinch of allspice, cinnamon, and a little salt and pepper. Fry everything for about 30 seconds, stirring constantly to release those wonderful aromas.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Next, it's time to add some liquid to our pot. Pour in the chopped tomatoes, a teaspoon of sugar, and 100 milliliters of water. Give it all a good mix, then bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and cover the pot. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. If you like a bit of heat, you could add a pinch of chili flakes at this stage. Now, let's bring it all together. Add the lemon juice, the roasted aubergine cubes, and some cooked chickpeas to the pot. Stir everything well. Cover it again, and let it cook until the aubergine is completely soft. This should take another 10 to 20 minutes. Be sure to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want to add a bit more salt, pepper, sugar, or lemon juice to suit your taste. Finally, it's time to serve up our moussaka. You can enjoy it warm or at room temperature, whichever you prefer. Just before serving, garnish it with a generous sprinkling of finely chopped flat leaf parsley. This adds a lovely fresh flavor and a pop of color. If you're feeling adventurous, you could also sprinkle some toasted pine nuts on top for a bit of crunch. Enjoy!